In this video, we'll show you how to install magnets on a patio door with blinds between glass. These magnets are used to connect the blind operator to the internal blind mechanism, allowing you to raise, lower, and tilt the blinds. Begin by identifying which panel contains the internal blinds, typically the fixed panel in a BBG configuration. Next, locate the blind operator on the interior side of the glass and gently remove it if it's already in place. This step is critical since the operator is in place, it may not be engaged with the magnets. Using a small screwdriver, align the internal magnet carrier with the operator. Steady pressure or force may be needed to get the operator securely into the channel and get it properly seated. Once it is engaged, you'll hear it snap into place and may feel a slight click as the magnets lock together. Slowly test the blind controls by raising and lowering the blinds to confirm full range of motion. If the blinds don't respond, adjust the position slightly and try again until they operate smoothly. Proper magnet installation ensures seamless control of your blinds between the glass and maintains a clean, finished appearance.